Hello everyone. In this video I will teach you how we can create a variable product in WooCommerce. So we will click on add new button. Here we can add product name, product description, product image, and here are the product type. So for the variable product we can select variable product, and after that we need to create attributes for product. Here we can select add our attributes, and here we can add values. After that we need to save this attribute. Then we need to click variations. This will generate variations. Okay, so we have two options, red and black. So we need to define prices for both product. Product image for this, and for this one. Okay, product categories. Now we can check front end. Here are option to change the variations. You can check if we are selected, then product image is also changed and product price is also update. So this is our variable product. Thank you.